Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 456 Nottingham in Oshawa. So we've got a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Why don't you guys go in and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. Oh, hey there guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this property. Just a quick little recap here. So we're in Oshawa. We've got a detached property. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, finished basement, and we do have a single car garage, but it is a tad bit wider so you can put your bikes and whatnot all along the side there, okay? So now we've come to the video where I need your help, okay? So I need you to like this video, share it with all of your friends, help me out here, okay? And most importantly, I need you to comment below. So I want to know what you guys think about this property. And until next time, remember one thing guys, get Kabani, get sold.